Let's go, Jay.
Alright, hold on.
Yo, Jay, my TP is 135 for 31.
Oh, bro, I didn't even get to turn on PC yet, bro.
Is what?
135, 41, 431.
Yo, I'll be right there. I'm gonna get some breakfast real quick.
Nice.
Enjoy the food, sir.
Mine's at
What's your TP?
135, 454. Like below that 1 hour.
Oh yeah. Makes sense.
Wait, Trinity Changer.
Hoping this hourly makes a wig.
Yeah, same here. It should
Yeah,
continue to go down, though.
Yeah, it should go down easily to these levels down here.
Just a bit.
Easily.
I knew once it broke the 50-minute low, it's gonna come down.
What song is this? I have no clue what song this is.
Because the 30-minute close bearish.
I have no idea what song this is. This is copyright free music. I have no idea what this is. This is not what I listen to in a regular though.
Have yourself some fun.
Alright, cool. Yeah, GJ should come up to this level today. Push on my way. Perfect. Okay, so the 1 hour is gonna close bearish. Okay, cool. Fine. That's fine. Am I the one who missed themselves? You didn't miss any souls. You just thought you missed them. Whose mic is that?
Yeah, who's locked? Oh shit, there's spare guys in the Zoom.
What?
Spare guys in the Zoom.
Oh,
Yeah. Just make sure your
There's a lot of
background.
people
Make sure your
listening.
background is loud, or else I'll mute you guys.
yeah.
Perfect. So GJ, do you guys hear me? Am I good? My mic's good, yeah. GJ.
They say there's news today.
I don't think so, fam.
You got 830 retail sales and core retail. Yeah, Don. Today's a big day.
Core retail sales, perfect.
Yeah, 830. And then you got the Fed.
There's oh no, that's
Oh yeah, CPI. Not CPI, retail sales. I mean,
Wait,
dead.
what's testify? Like,
No
what
sales.
is he doing?
It's just a speech, bro. It's just,
Oh.
I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna be trading at that time, so I don't really care what happens. You know, after like, actually, I don't even care what happens here because this won't really affect my GJ.
No, you trade before that.
Yeah. Okay, so GJ, I think what needs to happen for GJ is we need to form some type of support here. Down below here. We're probably gonna tap this level down here, most likely. And we're probably gonna range a little bit. You have a little range, and then yeah, from here you can, you know, I'm looking for buys to come up again to this level because ideally it has a higher chance of going up to this level. So maybe once we get to this support here, we can have a confirmation for candle to go up bullish again. But right now, there's no buys at all. Right now, GJ is gonna come down to this level. You shouldn't be looking for buys at all right now. It's in the middle of nowhere. It's gonna drop straight down to this level. If you're looking for buys right now on this candle, that's a rip. It's a rip, man. It's a rip. We also have some resistance right here on GJ as well, this level. So let's see what we got here. I don't know what this was, but this is the ugliest thing I've seen all in my all week, man. This is the ugliest stuff I've seen all week on GJ. I have no idea what this is, but you know, I'll take it. This is so ugly. Come up, pick up the top, come back in range, fill the range. Now it's probably gonna tune down further. There's a lot of messy stuff here. Some useless candles that formed. I'll call it. Yeah. Like,
Hopefully this just makes a decent wick. I'll probably enter a sell and then have a buy stop as well. Something like that.
with 3 minutes left, see what happens here. Yeah, I don't know. Dude. Alright, cool.
I got into sales again.
Got into just now?
Yeah.
GJ technically has a clean traffic move coming down here. Technically has this move below this. Why is it below this range? It should easily come down to this level down here. This is a clean traffic move right here. That candle.
137, 135, 710.
Hello, what do you think about gold? Let me check.
Rest looks like they're back to normal.
Alright, gold from probably daily has a break. Yeah, going past stuff. I think gold buys would be good from above this level, yeah. Now you have a clean traffic move up. This is lower range right now. You can anticipate that it's gonna break it and continue up to 134, 1734, right? So the thing about gold is like once it reaches 1734 and it breaks the high, that's a daily high as well. And so once it breaks the daily high, man, it's gonna go all the way up to the next target is gonna be 1738. So gold can easily like on the next candle come up like do something like this on gold. If it goes above the range like this, the next candle's gonna pop up to 1734, and eventually we're gonna continue to go up to like 1738 level today. Not bad. 80 bit move. Earn that. Yeah, it's my goal analysis right there. Yeah, I stopped trading pre 6:30. I used to trade 5:30 and 5 and 6 and shit. I just dropped it. I don't care
Yeah,
what
what happened
happens.
to that?
I don't care what happens before. I don't care what happens
Could have
after.
got less entries if you traded then.
Is it
Yeah.
because of like you sleep late or something, or?
No, I don't care what happens before. I don't care what happens after. If I don't get anything during this 2 half hours, I don't care what happens. I dropped them. I'm not gonna trade because then then again, I'll be trading I'll be trading for like 4 hours, you know, and like
Yeah.
you're gonna get worn out. So I just dropped it. That's it.
Thank God.
Yeah, if you could just like go to sleep after, then.
Yeah,
you'll be fine.
I'll see
You
like
have to-
if I catch a 10 pip move and I get like a 100 pip move later on GJ, I'm not gonna care what happens. Like the 100 pip move that happens, I'm not gonna care. It's whatever. Cause like it's not in my training time, you know. I did what I did. I caught my 10 pips. Cause like, you know, I can't just be a slave to the charts like this. Mean. What happened? I still trade New York. I still trade 6:30 to 9. It's just that I'm not gonna trade pre at 5:30, 4:30. You know, it doesn't matter what time you wake up. It's just whatever time you come into the charts, and whatever time you leave. That's what matters. But the where you wake up, trying to catch every single move, like, you know, I realize that like you don't need to catch every single move in the market, man. Just sell, it's whatever. Like this is like a cool the sell came down, was like a 7 pip move. Cool, I'll catch a 10 pip sell later, you know? Like I'm not worried about these huge moves or just little pullbacks or whatever.
Yeah, bro, I don't have any FOMO like at all anymore.
Yeah. I will see a 1,000 pip move and GG come down straight in front of my eyes. I would not care, you know? I would not care. It's up to that point. That's a very good thing. Cause you don't need to be looking on. You don't need to catch every single move, man. I don't know why people want to catch every single move in the markets. You know, you want to catch this. You want to hop in this. You want to hop in this. Like, cool. It looks profitable. It looks profitable. It has a high chance of playing up. But they just understand like, the more trades you put into the market, the more you're risking your capital. So like the less trades, the less times you're risking your capital. What would I do? You know, take more
Money,
trades
big boy.
or take less trades. I lie, bro. Someone said that, bro. Yo, brother.
Oh,
Holy shit.
So G just didn't close here with a nice wick here. If I pip stop.
That's Jimbo low key.
No, bro. Yeah.
XK?
I ain't gay. Don't try that, sir.
Wait, Jimmy, you go to the gym in the morning?
Yeah.
The shit's open?
Bro, it's Atlanta, bro. It's America.
They don't care anymore, man.
Yeah.
Oh, nice sauce here. And you go
That's
on
bust,
GJ.
though.
Bruh, but the
Like,
thing-
wait, like, you can just go with, like, everybody else, like, in it at the same time?
Yep. I just stay away from people, but it's always that one dickhead that goes right next to the gym, right next to me. Like, dude, back up. Damn.
Yeah, bro, that's pretty sus.
Bro, like, yo, all these treadmills, and you want to freaking stand right next to me?
Yeah, you gotta let him
Weirdo.
know.
Bro, like, literally, the gym is empty. This man got right next to my treadmill. I'm like, dude, back up.
That's weird as fuck.
I'm gonna enter a short on GJ here. Once the count closes. But I think yeah, let's be there, pip TP. Come on, go up a little more. Go up a little more, GJ. There you go.
See all the hate, but I don't be giving it down to it.
Onto a sell here on GJ.
Yo, do you have a pip counter on MC5 or no?
Nah, I don't. Alright, stop loss is gonna be right here. Here's down here.
Gonna find one. Alright, that's my last trade today right here, boys.
Cool. Perfect. And profit immediately. Okay, so I'll be back in like 2 seconds. I'm gonna get some water. I'm also at the quarterback. She's just about to waterfall.
Bro, this man is mouth in the mic, bro.
So we're cooking ASMR, bro.
Cheers. It's YouTube.
It's back at my entry again.
Wait.
Bro, I just wanted to make a top, like a higher top weight.
Yeah,
I'm gonna wait.
I mean to be honest, like this is fine, I guess. I'll take it.
You got better stops. And stops fat. 24 pips. Man, fuck all that.
If it hits my original entry, where 804 pips, then like I'll hop on entry.
Smart play, lock.
Look what? Boom.
The support is mage there.
Yeah, I mean 50-minute close is no top wick, so like it
Yeah.
should come down. But like I just wanted to make like a little wick up, and then you know.
Oh, that's like the last time.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Alright guys, yeah, I just called the bank, and they said yeah, GG's gonna fall pretty soon. I'll give it like a couple minutes here. They're just setting up the little sell down here.
I thought
said-
it was the bank, bro.
Yeah, I called myself.
Caught up Chad, was like, hey bro, move this here real quick.
Yeah, I think once GG breaks 135, 706 should be good to go.
There we go.
Hey. Hey.
So stop loss is up here. But I think once it breaks this high, I'm probably gonna close like majority of my positions. So it's 17 pips. With this stop loss, man, you can't really have a smarter stop loss because like the next kind of high is like up here, you know. So maybe 17 pips to 25 pips, give or take.
Feel the hate bound.
So if GJ breaks this high, guys, on GJ, if you break this high, we're probably gonna push all the way back up. So daily is bullish, keep that in mind. Daily is bullish until I'm saying 136, 529. Technically we're still bullish, right? So this sell down might just be like a little pullback we're trying to catch or something, but yeah, if GJ breaks hits our stop loss, if it hits our stop loss, and it breaks that high, it's probably gonna go all the way up to 136, 529. But yeah, we should be good to go now once we break this low right here and a couple pips here. We made a move down, we made a move up, and now we should get a big waterfall move down once we break these lows there. Soon, it has to retest that low. Because technically it's retesting the low in a 1 minute if you think about it. I didn't even check the 1 minute, but I'm assuming that's what's happening. So once it retests the low, it's gonna break the low and it's just gonna come down further.
Is this a gulag play right here, man?
Nah, gulag play, I would not be in it if it's a gulag play. This is a gulag play right here. This is a gulag play. If you look at a replay like this is a gulag play. If you're trying to enter a buy here to go up to wherever target, this is a gulag play. This kind of has no range to get filled, and look what happened after. Bap, bap, bap. Came back down. So now it's gonna about to break that low here. So now, like, you know, it's about to retest the low in a 1 minute. You know, break the 1 minute low. You know, you can call it double bottom in a 1 minute, and eventually you're gonna continue on further. And I didn't even check the 1 minute. I'm just assuming that's what's happening. All right. See. The 1 minute is retesting lows now, and now once it breaks this low, it has a clean traffic move down, and you'll be in profit once the price breaks this low right here on a 1 minute. So I use every single time frame, guys. I use every single time frame. Alright, we should get a clean move down here on GJ. A clean move down to, okay, let's see. Where's the 1 minute telling me again? The 1 minute told me that I was gonna come down to this level cleanly. Alright, cool. So when price gets to there, I'm gonna move stop loss to entry. First free trade.
Yes,
Down here.
sir. Drop a like in the chat.
Sure, not yet. Trade didn't play out yet. Trade did not play out yet. We're in profits, but I want it down here. Barely in profits.
Where it's like light and day on freaking trades going, man.
What, the spreads are way better, eh?
Spreads better, latency 100% better.
What's that?
Latency is like how smooth the charts move.
How's the draw? Is it nice?
24 hours.
Pretty nice.
24 hours.
Yo, I had to. Oh, are you serious? I had a freaking I had to go on Vantage live chat yesterday.
I'm telling you, man, they're gonna start. They're gonna delete Canada off their thing pretty soon, like the way IC Markets did.
Why?
What happens if they delete it and you still have money?
What's the broker called?
Alright, guys, I'm closing GG. I'm closing GG here at entry, guys. I'm closing GG here at entry. I just had to say it before anyone says anything.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, I'm closing here. I'm closing GG here at entry, guys. I am going to wait for next 15-minute candle form bullish. And there I'm gonna sell stops below there. Okay, you guys can continue. I just wanted to say that before GG goes up.
I just have my stops below the current candle.
Yeah, so like I'm waiting for the next 15-minute candle to close bullish like this. Like so. And then I'm gonna have a sell stops. But I'm gonna have I'll enter once price breaks that low to come down to retest the lows. This is what I'm gonna look for on GJ. But yeah, right now I closed it because this candle.
Go.
Yo.
Bro.
My bad. My bad, bro. This little kid is freaking annoying me, man. Wait, let me stream. We're streaming here.
Just give him a backhand.
No, bro. I don't hit little kids. On top.
A fat neck.
GG playing. Yeah, GG's not really playing. It's doing its thing. Like it has it's probably gonna come down, but
It's pre-New York, bro.
I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. I wanna wait for a bullish candle to close bullish. This one right here, so I can have a smaller stop loss on this trade. Anticipating this is the low of the candle. So maybe if the 15 closes bearish, I can enter it after that candle with a stop loss wherever it is, because it's gonna be a lot lower than all the way up here. Because now I can anticipate that maybe this is the 1 hour low high if the price wants to go down. So
FX domain?
No. Trader's domain.
Oh.
FX domain. So it's gonna sign up the freaking Middle Eastern goddamn broker.
use my
How long did it take for you to?
Me? You get verified or?
Yeah, verified. Like,
verify takes 24 hours.
Ah.
Give me 2 hours. It's like, hey, handsome guy, here you go.
It's not Bitcoin based, right? Like it's
No.
just
You could do Bitcoin or bank.
bank transfer. Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Right, my deposit hit tomorrow. Well, today. I think. Yeah, today. Ah ha ha.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, price respects. What is it? 35.94. Yeah. And then target, if this is the actual target today. So like, here's the thing. This is my target today for GJ. I'm actually bullish today on GJ. To 136, 529. But this target down there that I put is just for the sells. If price does respect this high and continues to go down further. So yeah, I'm waiting for this 15-minute close. Bearish or bullish, wherever it closes to enter a position on GJ. With smart stops. I mean, did we lose a trade on stream this week? No, we haven't, right? On stream.
We only had one straight this week.
Oh yeah, we did. It was yesterday. I'm tripping.
Yeah.
It was yesterday. I felt like a long week.
My man's just too in the freaking zone right now. I forgot what day it was. Donvo is clearly in the zone right now. Do not play with it.
I'm in my gulag.
Nah, bro. You're in the Mark Douglas zone right now.
Mike Douglas.
Mark Douglas is the GOAT. I don't care what no one says.
Perfect. The G is probably gonna close bearish on the 15, and you can have a smart stops now. If you let's say you enter around this 15-minute candle bearish candle, you can have a stop loss like above that candle. You have like a 7 pip stop loss coming down to this support for 27 pips. Because now you can anticipate maybe this is the 1 hour high. If price wants to drive down, and also once price breaks this low as well, it's probably gonna see a clean waterfall move down. So you have options here. You have things to do here. I just wasn't comfortable with the stop loss up here, the big stop.
Excuse me. Okay.
Jimmy, did you stay in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just stayed in it and I just moved my stop to the
Yeah, I
candle
moved.
high.
Yeah. Same here. It's like we the same person.
Almost.
Just playing. You pretty boy. Hip chai.
We twins, dog. Wasians.
Wages. Right, I still can't believe it. When I found out I was white, I was like, no way.
Bruh.
No.
Look, my friends told me, like, when they found out, like, I told them I was like Irish. He's just like, yo, leprechaun ass boy. I'm like, come on, dog. Dude, what I do?
You gotta do me like that.
He's like, you leprechaun ass boy. I'm like, chill. Cause look, I always wondered, like, why is like my facial hair like different colors sometimes?
What the fuck? Don't tell me you be having orange facial hair, bro.
No, that's not orange. It's like brown, like light brown sometimes. I'm like, what? Sir?
Brother?
Genetics, dog.
What is this? Alright.
There it goes.
Pushing almost 10 pips.
It is 10 pips. Oh, what's your entry?
Not for my entry.
Um,
a little later.
I should put another entry once it did that retest.
Mine is 710. Still, like I still held it.
Oh, 7-Eleven, right? I put my
Okay, we had 10 pips now.
CP like right below that candle. Before that pin bar on a 1 hour. So like right below it. Just to be safe. Let's take it cheaper.
Very nice.
I was thinking about doing like the whole wick pub. I'm like, nah.
Oh, gold. God damn, boy.
Lose.
Let's see what's
freaking
popping today.
Korea, they bombed their own station, man.
Oh yeah, I see.
Oh,
Yeah.
right here. This is the news.
Bro, they pulled up the video on CNN. I'm like, damn. They doing their own homes like that, bro.
Wait, what? Why?
I don't know. Literally, I don't know. I was just on the thing on the freaking treadmill. Then I'm like watching TV. I'm like, wait, what? Why would they bomb their own station? Well, not their station, but Korea. It's still Korea's Korea, bro. I don't care. But yeah, that's the homies though.
Korea's gangland.
The gangland. North Korea got bullies for it.
Bro, those guys are sharks.
Oh God, scary hell. But they can't win in a fight though. I'll knock their head. Mink. And bro, I remember
Kim Jong Pow.
Take a lot. I remember when you remember that phase that everyone was rocking the undercut, bruh. My barber messed me up. They was like, "You Kim Jong Un looking at boy." I was like, "Yo."
Yeah.
Like, bro.
Yo, I always get this for looking like Kim Jong Un.
I used to get bullied, bro. Can't have nothing like.
Yeah, so GJ's currently coming down here, breaking the lows. Should be clean go. I'm just gonna watch it. I'm not gonna enter now. I'm just gonna watch it play out.
I'm moving my stops about the current candle again for this runner.
If you guys are still in, congratulations. Yeah, it's just secure 10 pips right now. Whatever pips it is. Move stops entry on it. You're on your trade. Me personally, I'm not.
I can't hear you.
Me personally, I'm not in trade because I am gonna watch it play out, and I am gonna look for buys above this area. But yeah, it's breaking this wick now down here on GJ. So below this area, we have a clean move that's gonna come down to these levels down here. This is your clean move now on GJ. Big push down here.
Yes, sir.
There it goes. How many pips did I profit from entry? That would have been 15, 17 pips here. Yeah, GG is tapping on minor support as well. Goes like left. It's minor though, yeah. It's not that crazy. It should easily come down to these levels. Yeah, if I was still in it, this is where I'll close another 25%. This is where I'll close majority. Right here. Those below here is good too, so I'm gonna wait for these cells as well. Yes, cells down here. This will be more clean. Every time the song's on, bro, we catching pips. This song? Like a cool new night. This song I guess copyrighted. Only song I guess copyrighted on this little playlist. I downloaded a copyright free playlist and they put this song in it.
Viewers is up now, eh?
Yes, sir.
Big booming. Yo, Jimmy, did I say, were you in the club like the other day?
Bruh, I don't know where I was at. All I know is I was lit. I don't know where. This
guy was off the acid in the club.
No, bro. No, I was just drunk. I'm like, yo, where am I, bro? They just said hop in. We couldn't go get lit. I'm like, yo, where are we, bro? Like everywhere, I see like people just dancing. I'm like, what? What is happening here?
This guy's in a movie.
Bro, my mind was on like, you know that cartoon where like someone gets knocked out and they had a little stars in their head? That was exactly me. I'm like, yo, what is happening, bro? Too much things happening at once. The lights is going crazy. The like, it had like these little like club light shit that was just going insane. I'm like, what? I can't
they must open as fuck.
I know you like the shrooms I sent, bro.
Yeah, them shits look fire.
Yo, did you take those lock?
Bro, why stream here, bro? Guys, chill,
Hey,
bro.
hey.
Oh, so
PG-13 boys.
PG-13 boys.
Yeah, we on stream, bro. Chill.
So, we don't talk
my
about that.
B.
We talk about in the Telegram. Oh shoot. What is this that
Don't make me pull a Raja, bro. I will blurry boot each and every person in this call.
You know, I think it's really rude that
Yeah, you know, I think it's extremely rude that you're making those noises on your mic. So I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna give you a timeout here.
gonna send your ass to do like gonna send your ass to detention.
Yeah. So, if you guys, okay, so this is kind of a range, right? It's technically a range. Like we're just trading in a range right now that sells in the range. So here's the thing. Above here is gonna be clean move up, should be clean buys, and below here should be clean sell. So if you miss these sells up here, don't worry, because if price breaks below this level, which I don't think it will, but if it does, man, it's gonna go far down, because this is gonna be the daily low, so it's probably gonna go further down. So this is a nice clean move on GG as well to come down if you do break below this level, and then maybe we can come down to these levels down here. So this, right? So you have all of that to catch a sell. If you didn't catch a sell here, you can catch it down here. But like, however, I'm looking for buys, right? So buys would probably be above these levels to come up to fill this range here. So that's like a, I think the sell range down here is gonna be like a 35 pip move, and then buys above here would probably gonna be like a 50 pip buys. So we have things here today. We have things. Hey Don, how do you determine the daily low? Well, brother, if you go on a daily time frame, you check that candle, you check the low of that candle, that's the low. The low is for daily is gonna be 135.096. That's the daily low right here. Daily candle low. It's that simple, man. It's that simple, man. And it's how you check your weekly low, go on a weekly time frame. How you check your hourly low, go on the hourly. How you check your 5-minute low, go on the 5-minute. You know, how you check your 15-minute low, go on the 15-minute low.
15-minute time frame.
Yeah, you know, you should know these things by now if you're on the streams. We talk about lows all day. And how important is the daily low? Every low is important. Our stop loss for this sell was the hourly high. There's a reason why it's hourly high. What happens if the candle breaks? It's probably gonna go further, right? So what happens if the daily low breaks? It's probably gonna go further down. You know.
Well,
every time frame's the same.
I just got this news notification. I'm not gonna risk anything. Fuck that.
Yes, I realize every time frame is important. The 15, the 30, the 1 hour, every time frame is important. There's not a time frame that's excluded from that. You know, that's not important. It's as important as the weekly and as the daily. Every candle matters. Every single candle matters on the charts. You close your trade? Yeah, I close our break even. I'm just gonna watch it play out here. I'm gonna look for buys above these levels, or if 30-minute or something closes bearish, or something. I don't know, but like right now for me, yeah, I'm not looking for any entries. It's too choppy for me. It's too choppy. Target's down here, but it's not the ideal trade I want, to be honest. Yeah, if you're still in, there's no reason for you not to secure profits. You know, these guys on this call secure profit. They secure profits. They can move their stops to entry. Just make it risk free and let it run to target if you're still in it. But yeah, I'm not in it. I'm not in it, mate. I'm not in it, mate. Gold is so choppy right now. This little ranger.
That futures just jumped.
US30. Okay, what's gonna happen today? What's your favorite time frame? Mine's 30-minute. My favorite time frame is the 15 to 30, the hourly, the 4-hour, and the daily and the weekly. These right here: 5-minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4-hour, daily, weekly, and 1 minute. My favorite time frames. I'll look at those time frames. I look at the 1 minute when I enter. So when I click the buy or sell, I usually look at the 1 minute. I look at the 15 to look for entries. 30 minutes to look for entries. 1 hour look for entries. 4-hour look for entries. You know, I have.
So like if I get like a bearish engulfing on the 1 minute, then like yeah, that's when I take a sell.
A bearish what? Looking at
Engulfing, bro.
Hey Don, is the ADNZ about to drop? Well, is it about to drop? Do you what do you see? What do you see, brother?
Can we see a chart, please, my brethren?
Did he say AUD?
Chirpless?
Chart, please.
What up, Taj? What up, Taj?
What up?
So,
You know, I hate. This is the question I hate the most. The most annoying question I ever get in my trading career. What is your favorite? No, not. What time? What time frame do you enter a trade off of? Like, it's so irrelevant, man.
It's like,
Like, there's nothing that's a gold. Like, nothing in this forex industry is a gold to boom boom. Like, that's gonna happen every time. Boom. Wait for that candle. Boom. Buys. Wait for this candle. Boom. Sells. It doesn't work like that. It's not as easy as that.
it just depends on the situation. Like,
Every situation is different.
Not the same. You know?
Like, although these trades are the same, like these trade ideas are all the same. These trade ideas I give every day are all the same trades I take, same entries, same types. But it's a different scenario every time. It's not the exact same scenario. Like, I don't do the exact. Like, I don't wait for. So this is why I go back to talking about fibs. Like, this is why I don't think that it'll be that easy just to draw a fib in your chart and wait for a 61.8 retracement for entering buy or sell. You know, like, I don't think it's that easy. Yeah, this is a question that I get a lot, man. And it just does not make sense. Does not make sense. Or another question is probably well, Don, how long did it take you to become profitable? Like, so irrelevant, man.
Different strokes for different folks.
So irrelevant, man. Yeah. Like, what do you, like, if I had to answer your question, like, what are you gonna get out of it? You know, like, are you gonna become a better trader? Are you gonna prosperous solution? You send a wrong chart, by the way. Send another chart. Look at it. And make sure it's labeled. I know you did not label that chart that quick.
Yes, he did. He drew a trend line. No, I'm just playing.
You call my names out like that. That's crazy.
That's what I was messing with.
I hope it's labeled. Prosperous solutions. I hope it's labeled, man. Not gonna lie, I can't label charts quick too. So if I work with I'll label US30 right now.
I'm still
Okay, so
wondering,
this
like,
time-
how does Don draw like those little arrows so quick, bruh? Like, bruh.
Are you bearish on US30?
Bad. Nope. US station will be bullish today, bruh. They just made another announcement.
I don't know. It might be yeah, bullish because they just did a pullback.
126,970.
Yeah, it's gonna go up, bro, because it's like faked out on the 4 hour.
Yeah, 26970. Looking bullish. We're just at my resistance right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a good day today. We have a potential good day today. On.
Y'all gonna get in US30?
I wait for
No.
the support to be created.
What?
No.
Y'all don't trade US30 no more?
Just lost 10 pips on GJ. How did you lose 10 pips on GJ? You know,
He didn't move that.
first of all, I closed that entry, but even if I did close that entry, that trade went down 15 pips. Unless you took a buy, you know, then that's maybe why. But cause I know yesterday you doubted my what was that, sell or buy? What happened yesterday, guys? Was it a buy or sell?
Bye.
Yeah, I think Moody Mo doubted my buy yesterday after he took a sell. So I hope we didn't do that again today.
That's good.
I didn't realize I got stopped out.
If I were being this trade, I think I would have got stopped that entry. I think. Did you come back up?
Yeah, I got stuff out entry.
I was about to get stopped that when I closed it.
He smelled it.
I'll stop at 135, 600.
Should've closed it way earlier, but no focus.
I mean, like, Munimo, if you had a sell stop, then what's your stop loss? You know, like your stop loss would have had to been either this high right here, this current candle high, or this high right here, because until price breaks this high, we're technically bearish. So it wouldn't make sense to have a stop loss like right here, because price hasn't broken any highs yet. You know what I mean? So I think, yeah, stop loss should have been up here, and price hasn't touched that high yet. So 30 may just close bearish too, so this wick should get filled now on GJ. Should get something like this on GJ. Yeah.
Okay, so if say for example, like you know how sometimes you kind of look for higher highs and like set buy stops or sell stops or lower lows. Sometimes, would you ever do it like if it's near like support and resistance?
Like I only put sell stops buy stops because I know that like once price breaks the high, it's probably gonna shoot up or fly up. But it just depends on the scenario. But I could just market exit. Technically, I can market execute it. But I just put buy stop, sell stop, so I have a tighter entry. But is that your question?
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you answered it because it depends, like you said, it depends on the scenarios.
Yeah. Like this market this if I take a sell here, this would have been market execution. This would be no sell steps or anything. Let's see market X. To come down to fill this wick and eventually come down to retest the lows here. Like that. So Moody Mo, I don't know why you got out if you had a sell stop there. Yeah, price never broke the highs. You know, until price breaks the high, we have a something like this. Once 15-minute close bullish, I close. Yeah, but the 30-minute is still bearish, and the 1 hour is still bearish. So, you know what I mean? Like, we talk about wick fills all the time in the streams. I say how the 15 close bullish, but the 30-minute still has a nice wick fill now. Which made a wick fill. But yeah, I guess it makes sense too. Yeah. Every trade is different. Every scenario, if you're in like, you know, if you had an entry like 10 pips lower, you're in a whole different trade scenario, whole different trade idea. Damn, gold came down, tapped that low, and came back up. That liquidity wick. Could just be a liquidity way to go up today. I think you sent the same link. Prosper Solutions. Try refreshing the link. Click the camera icon again and click copy again. It'll make a new link. You sent the exact same link on that chart. Brother. Yeah, so I think gold made liquidity wick. We're now breaking the 30-minute highs. We should reach this target today. 1738. I mean 1734. Look at that liquidity wick in a 1 hour. Now we're just gonna push up. So this might be a huge move for gold today. 1738 maybe. Because daily is bullish, man. I think we hit 500 subscribers. I think we hit it. Come on, man, you're talking to yourself this whole time, brother. This guy was like, why aren't you guys talking to me, bro? Hello.
I was kind of getting mad. I was like, okay.
Is this how we fucking doing it on a Tuesday morning? Is this what we do? Ignore Tosh Tuesdays? Look at this.
I'm gonna have a buy stop here. I mean, I'm gonna enter a buy once price breaks this high here on GJ. I want 35,775 to go up to this level up here. To be a runner. There's gonna be an anticipation move, a big one. Because we form some type of support here. Let's see. 15 close bullish has support. 30 minute, once the 30 minute breaks the high, that's a confirmation. Maybe above this level. That level right there. Go up. But until then, we're technically bearish. So until we break the high, we're bearish on GJ. Why is it like green? It also had to be 15 pips, not bad. Okay, let's see, 23 minutes left. Let's see how this hourly count closes. Let's see, guys. So this move, this buy, is gonna be an anticipation instead of an anticipation. There's a lot of anticipation that's going on here. So I'm anticipating, okay, maybe if we break this high, we're probably gonna push up to this level up here. And once we push up to that level, we're probably gonna close bullish on the 1 hour time frame. So when the 1 hour time frame closes bullish, we're probably gonna continue to push up above this target here at 135.989. At that time, we're probably gonna break this bearish candle high here. So when we break that bearish candle high, we're probably gonna push all the way to 136.529. That's my trade on GJ. There's a lot of anticipation here, but yeah, it makes sense though. Yeah, anticipation requires a bit more practice and backtesting. Because this is like a 3 anticipations inside one trade. But I know exactly what I'm gonna do with it. You know, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. After once price gets to like this level up here, I'm probably gonna move stops to entry and let it run risk free. And it's gonna be just a runner all the way up to this target up here. Anticipating that we're gonna break the 1 hour high and, you know, all these highs, break above this range, come up to fill the wick, and then there's this target. So that's my trade for the day. Yeah, I was looking for. I wasn't interested in sells. Like I saw sells, it was there. I didn't want to take them because I was more comfortable taking buys. That's why I closed at break even. Cause at the end of the day, like I'm actually just trading for myself here. All these trades are just for myself. Analyzing and entering on my actual account, so I can give you guys whatever. Like you guys can just follow along, whatever. But at the end of the day, I'm just trading on my account. So sometimes you guys see me closing at break even and closing this, closing that, you know. But this is all personal preference. Things that I do. 35.
Mark up this chart there.
Bro, this morning when trading view was out, I was like, nah, there's no stream today. Okay, I'm going back to bed. And then I checked like 10 minutes later, 5 minutes later, and it popped up. I'm like, oh, okay.
I was.
What did you have used MC for?
Mm-mm.
Or MT5.
I never mark up on that. Never.
I only did it once. That shit was so fucking stressful.
It's only for trading.
Never.
I only mark it up. Only mark it up when I do like simulations for the course and VIP members on weekends. On MT4 though. But other than that, and yes, see how stressful I am when I do it. So I try to stay away from that as much as possible. That does not fit my comfort level, you know.
Absolutely.
Hey Don, another thing, since I started your way of trading, I've been more consistent. I took 6 trades yesterday and all hit TP. Beautiful, bro. Good shit. And you know what? It's all free. So you can thank me by liking the stream up. That's all I've asked for. Like up the stream, subscribe. You should try it though. I did try it. I hate it. I hate it. Like I mean, on the phone it's not bad, but on your MT5 desktop, I hate marking up on that. I hate it. I'm never doing that again. And I just draw zones too. Like I don't even draw nothing else. I just draw zones, and it's already stressful. Deleting it, because I'm on MacBook, and it's hard for me to adjust like the boxes once I already place them down. Because MacBook has some issue with. This is so trash, but yeah, it's annoying. It's basura. Forever grateful. Okay, GJ, what do you want to do here? What do you want to do here, GJ?
Yeah.
Waiting to work out. I made a range.
Just trying to do like some.
Oop, oop.
Dude, y'all not ready for what's gonna happen, bro.
If the 1 hour candle closes how it is, would you
Yeah,
would
for
that
a 1
suit
hour
yourself?
No, it's too small of a body for me. I'll have a bias above it. That'll be what I'm looking for. But yeah, like if it closes like maybe like this, yeah, you can have a sell. If it closes like this, a little lower, this, yeah, you can have a sell. Coming down to this level. But I'm just more comfortable taking buys, you know, like I'm not if it does close like that, I'm just gonna watch it come down. I'll be fine watching it come down, but we're gonna have buys above this area here.
I think if the 1 hour closes bearish, and like if you just look at it like logically, I think it would make sense to come down.
Yeah, it does.
Because if you look at the 4 hour, then like the 4 hour still has a wick to fill. So
yeah, 4 hours is bearish.
yeah.
4 hour looks like it's gonna be a fake out coming down in this range here. I wouldn't be surprised if G comes all the way back down to 134, 730, right? But we see how the daily kind of closes. If we close bearish, man, we're probably gonna come down there this week to 134, like 134, 740 area. But see what happens here. Let's see, 15 minutes left. This kind of just closed. It's gonna close bearish. I'm gonna delete my buy stop here.
Yeah.
Delete some of my buy stops.
Wait, what?
If the 15 closes bearish, you could have an entry here. Could. Your stops will have to be like up here though. This paint is gonna come down. Because technically we haven't broke the highs yet of a 30 minutes time frame. So the 4 looks bearish though. Like I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty bearish. Like strong, heavily bearish to fill that wick. This wick right here. Yeah. Let's see. I think Celsius blow here would be good on GJ as well. This bullish candle. This is what I was waiting for a little earlier. Remember I talked about it? I'm like, if I enter a sell, I'm probably gonna wait for a bullish candle closure, and then I'm gonna have a sell stop below that candle. Now we have that candle right here.
Yeah. That's also just a low of the 30 minute.
I'm just gonna wait for the 1 hour then. The 1 hour to close. Cause stop's gonna be quite smaller, you know. It's gonna be a 12 pip for like 20 pip TP. Be a cleaner move on GJ. What time is it right now? 7:45 already, man. God damn, it's been an hour.
15 more minutes.
We're just watching blocks on our screens, and time goes by so fast.
Bruh.
That's all you're looking at. Technically, you're looking at blocks and wicks. Like, not even wicks. Blocks and lines.
Wake up looking at blocks.
Literally, if no one knew about Forex or any chart analysis or anything, they look at this like, what are you guys looking at blocks for? Like, what is this?
What?
Blue and red blocks.
Blue red blocks, you fucking
Yeah,
weirdo.
dude,
It's fucking 7 a.m. in the morning and you're looking at goddamn blocks at Starbucks. What is this, you goddamn? Go outside, do something. Look at that. Ma'am, I'm gonna make your whole year twitch in 2 minutes. You better shut up right now. Right now, I was marking up at this little food place, but it was like, bro, what is this? I'm like, trading food. And he's like, oh. And then like they asked the most retarded shit. It was like, is this for stocks? I'm like, it's for everything.
I hate that shit.
Oh, stocks is like what everyone's known. Like,
But what they don't know is Forex is more. It's a lot bigger than
Forex
stocks.
is bigger, yeah.
I told them
Way
Forex is. They said, oh, it's fake. It has.
Billions.
Cause like I was,
Right,
You know
so-
why it's
so
fake?
exists.
yeah.
Because of iMarkets Live.
Yeah. Cause look.
That's
I was like-
exactly why.
I did like a quick breakdown. Like Forex is, you know, way more bigger than stocks. Moves like a lot more. It's like, no way. This is not believable. I'm like,
I just stopped talking when they did that.
Hey, bro, don't believe me then. Like,
I'm like, all right, bet. I was like, no problem. Don't even worry about it. Same day, I made 700.
I'll be trying to put people on the game, but they don't even listen, so I stop talking.
Look, I try to put like some people on, but I'm like, fuck, it's not. Look, in total, I put 10 people on. Only 2 people took it serious. Both of them profitable.
Listen more like 1 with me, 1 or 0.
Nah, I like people just asking.
It's not for everybody though.
I'm like, facts. I was like, hey, I told him, I'm like, this is not no short term, mink, you know, quick in and out type of shit. I'm like, this is long term money, bro.
Yeah, once you got the skill, you have it.
Yeah. That's like you got damn Jordans or you got damn Louis V, Gucci, all that shit. That shit not finna last. Knowledge shouldn't last.
Yeah.
But yeah.
yeah, I was thinking about taking cells here, but I don't know. I'm just wait.
Wonky.
Wait for the hour close.
Yeah, just wait for an hour.
No, just be like, yeah, because now they have like a bearish candle.
Yeah, just wait for this count.
Probably anticipate the 30 minutes probably finna fill the wick.
Bears, 30 bears, hour bears.
I just drew up my play. If you seen it, yeah, seen it. If you know, you know.
Nah. I'm dead. Brad, I just seen arrows move hella quick. I'm like, man, this might either mute it or he just.
I'm not muted. You guys are just talking, so I didn't want to disrupt you guys, so I just drew my shit up.
Nah, I saw it. I saw it though. Freaking quick plays. Don Popovich in the building. So I'm finna go for the goddamn full court press. Full court press in the game winning 3-play.
Oh, brother.
Yeah,
Gold is about to come back in the range here. Oh, brother, Gold's about to retrace this whole move here. 129 is gonna come straight down here.
Yikes.
Can we get 126 445 right there, right here. Broke the lows.
Yeah, man.
Lucky I got
It's gonna
out.
happen in like 1 candle, 2 hours.
Yeah, it's gonna happen
It's
quick.
gonna happen in 5 candles.
It's happening quite quick. Yeah, I'm waiting for the alley for GJ to enter cells. Buy close where it is right now. That'd be a perfect entry for a cell. Perfecto. Yo, I just came back and saw you draw that red candle and thought the market did that and nearly shit myself. Well, bro. Well, at least now you know what's gonna happen next.
That's how you learn how to control your emotions. Welcome to trading.
No, I'm saying like at least he knows what's gonna happen next now. I drew out the feature here.
Yeah. What was your most scariest trade that played out? That's I can remember.
Never.
Never.
I never have scary trades that play out.
No. Alright. Well, I had a US 30.10.
If you had a scary trade that play out,
Oh, bro.
yeah, you could probably enter a trade, close your eyes, and went back to bed.
No. I was like, yo.
Nah.
This is it. I'm like, I knew everything.
It was the oil trade you took.
It
It was that trade.
the most lit trade I ever, bro.
You think the thing about that oil
shit
trade?
played out, I was like, oh shit, this is it, G. This is it.
Oh, that played out. Oh yeah, okay,
Bruh.
yeah.
Yo, it played out so well, bro. I had every confirmation. I'm like, fuck it, bro. I was like, fuck it. Opportunity's here. I'm gonna take it, bro. The news came out.
No.
Zoom. That shit, bro. That shit got me so lit that day, bro.
No, so
Like, it's
You got
like, why you
0.10 on
smiling
US
at your
30.
phone? Like,
But those aren't good profits then, right?
no, that
Yeah.
was
That's
Those are bad. Those are bad profits.
that's a good profit, bro. I worked
What?
dumb hard for that trade. I worked dumb
If
hard
you're
for
shitting
that
your
trade.
pants, and it
No,
plays
I
out,
didn't
that's
shit
bad
my pants.
profits.
I was like, bro, I was nervous because it's a point in time US 30, but then I wasn't nervous. I was like,
Yeah,
oh,
That's a bad trade then.
If you over leveraging, it's a bad trade. No
Yeah,
matter
it's a
what.
bad trade no matter what, even if it's good profits. Like that's what we mean by bad trades.
CGP,
Not like
yo, if you still think that's a good trade, then you just gonna do it again.
yeah.
I'm
everybody
never,
risk it.
that was a one-time play, bro.
right. Don't do no.
I was only a
Then I'm
one-time
finna go
play.
fucking full margin on USD Max.
Hell no, fuck that. I would never trust that pair with full margin, bro. I'd rather throw my whole house on freaking GJ than USD Max. Bruh, USD Max, that is a whole nother fucking ballpark, bruh. Y'all are not ready for that. Bro. No one ready for that.
Hey Don, I have a question.
That's some Zaza pick.
I keep hearing people saying stops didn't get hit. Didn't happen to me yet. But is there any way to avoid that from happening? So to avoid, what kind of question? To avoid getting your stop loss hit, your stop loss is not gonna get hit. Yeah,
Either you close the trade or you move it a little bit.
your stop's getting hit, meaning your stop loss got hit. You can't avoid that. Like that's your stop loss. You should have a stop loss for every trade. You can't avoid that.
Yeah.
Like, if you hit stop
Always
loss,
a stop loss.
yeah,
That's you accepting that risk.
yeah, that's the risk. That's the risk right there. I'm not sure if that's what you're asking, but
Oh, I think he's talking about like KOT and like when it slips his stop. Like
I don't know. He didn't mention any brokers. I don't know.
no, like when that happens, like when the stop loss, like yeah, it doesn't
Then you,
like
then
it
you hit
skips
up
the stop
customer
loss.
support. Then you
Yeah.
hit up customer
Yeah,
support.
but us, yeah.
They finna
They can't
BS
do
you.
that.
Nah, they finna BS you. They finna say the same thing. All brokers do that, bro. Slippage.
I mean, if you don't want that to happen, like you're
Slippage, yeah,
Either you don't go
slippage.
into trade. It's either you don't go into trade, and that's really about it to avoid slippage. You just don't go into trade.
what?
Like, don't go in that trade, bro.
How you gonna trade if you're not trading? You can't fucking anticipate.
We're not further. Like, yeah, how can be a trade if you don't I mean, yo, the only way to avoid slippage,
That's a rare occurrence.
to avoid slippage, just leave the broker, bro. If you see what happening once or twice, just leave it. Cause that's not a normal thing to happen. It's not a normal thing. I couldn't hear the other guy. He's low. Which guy? Jimmy?
So, is my voice low?
No, it's not.
Bullets?
Yep. We're breaking the highs here, boys.
Ooh.
We are in.
This was earlier in the
week
trade,
10
5 stops would be decent.
session right now, bro. We are in the week 10 session. Get ready, boys.
Yeah, how much piss is this?
Okay.
Stop.
Yeah. Bars are closing in an hour though. Let's see what we got here.
You think buys above the.
I want this bearish. I want this 1 hour close bearish though, so I can have a buy stop
If
above.
it does, it's good. Yeah.
Like this. If it closes bearish like this, I'm buy when once it breaks this high, come up to here, easily.
Easily.
Let's see, 4 minutes left. Let's see what it wants to do here.
It's finna just.
If you do a minky mink.
Nah, that shit is finna just break.
Oh,
through,
guys,
Jeez.
what did I talk about,
Look at
guys?
yours.
Look at gold. Look at gold, guys. We just talked about this. We literally just talked about gold. We literally just said. We literally just said 1726 on a 5-minute candle, and look what happened. It was a clean traffic move here on gold. See, you need to look at any of this. All you gotta look at is this. These 4 candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will tell you that it's a sell coming down to the support once you break it this low. Look at that, clean traffic down to this level. If you guys got gold there, then there you go. That was a pretty clean move.
Clean traffic to come up right now. It just broke the 15-minute high.
Yep. Yeah. So see how this hourly closes.
Yeah.
So daily is still bullish, right? 30 minutes about to break the high here. 3 minutes, see what happens here. 3 minutes.
The only thing about the daily is the candle before this one closes no top weight.
Stop by still place? No, I deleted it. I'm waiting. This is a whole different trade scenario now. I'm waiting for that 1 hour to close. Yeah, the buy stop was gonna be off the 30-minute candle, but now like it's getting too late within the candle. We have like 2 minutes left in this 30-minute candle, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the hourly candle now at this point. Yeah, 30-minute once it breaks the high, it should be good to go up. Whose mic is that?
Who's my...
Whose mic is that?
70 viewers, nice. Yeah, if you guys are liking the stream, leave a like on the stream. Leave a like on the stream, support the boy. Let's get to 500 subscribers. I think we hit that actually. Did we?
492.
Are you sure? It was a 497 last time I
8
checked.
more? Alright, bro. We got something for y'all.
I'm about to make 5 accounts right now. Hold on. Yeah, 4.
At Yahoo, downvote 2 at Yahoo, downvote 3 at Yahoo.
Yeah, that's actually my old email. I used to have those accounts.
I'll just put out vital.
30-minute broke the highest here, guys.
Yeah,
We
didn't hear nothing.
should be good to go up here. Oof.
Password 1, 2, 3.
Why are you exposing, bro?
Nah, bro, that's my password. Oh shit, that's my vital information.
1 minute here, guys. Be patient. 1 minute here. Be patient. Be patient. 30-minute broke the highs though. So tempted, but you know we gotta wait for 1 hour to close here. This guy Sam yawns a lot.
Sean,
You can hear that?
catch me up on
Yeah?
Tuesday. We
It's
are
right here.
sleep, my bro.
Might be.
Bro, what time do you sleep, man? You always tired.
Yeah, Sam's always tired. I don't know how.
This man,
Bro,
oh my god.
I'm used to waking up at like 1 and getting them like 12 hours of sleep. So
12 hours of sleep.
Damn, bro, we are too young to be sleeping.
no,
for
that
long,
used to
man.
be me.
God damn, boy.
You better start running off 2 hours of sleep.
Sleep
Oh,
is
bro,
for the
yesterday
weak.
my brain literally just wasn't working, like, cause I just didn't sleep, I didn't eat, I was just like,
Hell
some
no.
unhealthy shit.
That is a vegetable.
Yeah,
Alright,
I
5
was just
seconds
vegetable shit.
to an hour.
So,
Let's see.
This man.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Another car
god.
part right now.
Oh shit, I forgot I'm still in the trade for fucking Jer, bro.
Bro, that bitch said. That bitch said Maserati. That bitch says lamb truck.
Bro, I'm
Yo, the best
500.
feeling ever is when you forget about a trade and then you look back at it and it's in profit.
Bro, it's been in profit. It's been going up.
Bro, once he texted me that, I'm like, bro, I know you like up like.
Yo, Don, you wanna buy?
No. 1 hour close doji. This is a gulag move right here. I'm looking at it like this. If you cover this up, this is a gulag. This is the gulag move. This candle this candle didn't really break.
30-minute broke the high.
This candle.
15-minute close.
I don't know. This bullish candle's giving me. I'm gonna have my sell stop, so that'll be. Yeah. This don't close doji, so like technically we're still bearish. Close bullish doji. So like price should respect this high up here if it wants to go down to test the low here. Yeah, this is not clean buys for me. Not at all.
Clean buys over here.
I think what you could have is yeah, wait. Yeah, you just gotta wait for another candle here. You just gotta wait. You gotta wait. No trade here. This day reminds me of Monday when there was no trade the whole day.
$5,000 for a cowboy hat. That's player.
Buy stop triggered? There was no buy stop on GJ. There was no buy stop at all. We deleted the buy stop. If it's not on my screen here, we deleted the buy stop.
You just said no trade.
There's no buy stop on GJ. I gave a signal as well, and I said delete my buy stop like at 7:40, so that was long gone. There's no trade. Yes.
Yeah. What?
GG.
G made a mini resistance here. Cool. Yeah, sus below here should be good now. Or when price pushes low, I'm enter. For buys.
This candle just doesn't have a top wicket.
It does. Barely. Yeah.
Has a little nub.
My bad, not Monday. This day reminds me of last Friday or last Thursday, where we waited like 3 hours for one trade, but it was good.
Happened in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's pretty worth it.
Yes, so did. I forgot about that. Took out for arrogance and in that trade. But some days you won't be able to trade. You don't see the right setup.
Yup. That's the goal. The goal is to end your day with no trades if you don't see any setups. That's the best feeling in the world. That's better than better than profit. That's the best feeling in the world. When you just stick to your discipline. Yeah. when you stick to your discipline and you don't enter any trades because there's no setup. Does it feel
You
great?
feel better. You tell me you feel better
Yeah.
after that than a day after catching like 50 pips.
Yes,
Cap.
because
Cap.
that's what's gonna grow my trading, not the pips, whatever. Like if I'm staying
Well, that's
disciplined,
That's
if,
just gonna grow your account.
if I'm yeah,
Pips.
if I'm just spending a whole day watching a range and there's no trade and I don't enter any trades that day, I'm gonna be pretty happy about that day. That's a successful day right there. But you know, yeah, catching pips is different. Like that's just whatever.
Nah, bro. You definitely feel better after you catch some pips.
No, I don't know.
And
It's just me. It might be just me.
Like yeah.
But you don't get trade because you just oversleep or something. So it's whatever. That's different. Like that's different. When you're on a charge like for 3 hours, you don't take one trade. That's a good feeling, bro. Trust me.
Fly, little birdie, fly.
Yeah. Like I don't know. At this point, I honestly don't care about my profits anymore. Like I don't look at them as something that's gonna turn my that's gonna turn my day or my trade level. You know,
I
like
want to be right. That's my whole goal.
I just want to, yeah.
That's my goal now. Just to be right.
As long as I spend every day on these 3 things. Manage trade. Manage trade, what else is there? Manage trade, this is it. Hey.
Trade, don't trade in range.
Yeah. And patience, that's all it is. But as long as I finish my day like that, man, I honestly don't care about my profits. Like, not that I don't care, I care for them obviously, but like I don't look at them as like I'm on some next level type shit. Like, oh, I'm a GOAT here, I caught this much. Like I don't look at it like that. And that's how a lot of people look at it as, and that's how they're gonna get fucked. I used to look like that, but I don't know. The bigger losses I put, the less I just stopped looking at it like that. I realized that okay, it's just growth at this point. You're just growing naturally. Protect capital at all costs. Yep. GJ is gonna flip bullish. If it does, then I'm gonna look for buys above this level here. Stops would have to be 11 pips, not bad. 11 pips for about 11 pips for 72 pips, not bad, right? Yeah, Price Solutions, if you're still not buy, I think if GJ breaks this high, you should be good to go all the way up then. And that's when you can show. But right now, yeah, I'll be kinda stressed still. Cause technically we're still in range, right? So let's see what happens here. 15's about to close in like 4 minutes. Two scenarios can happen here. We can close bearish, and then we can buy above that candle, or if you just break above this candle on this candle, we can buy it up. So you have 2 buying entries here on GJ, 2 types of entries.
Yeah, I might have a buy stop. Will it close bearish?
Yeah, yep. Patience. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you go on controlfx.com. Right here. Press start and check out the course. Go to course, you're gonna see the outline of it. What's in it? Control FX course outline, all that stuff. Yeah. There's the course website, controlfx.com. And the broker that I use, if you guys wanna know, it's in my bio. In the YouTube chat, YouTube side. Days like this are so boring. I just want to simulate through these candles, man. Like I literally, like, I know nothing's gonna happen here, and I know this is the move I don't want, like I'm not interested in, right? So I just want to simulate through the candle. But you can't do that. You gotta be patient. You gotta wait.
We're coming back to see what to do.
Mink.
Mink, mink.
Just playing Tetris right now. I'm looking at the chart.
This guy boy taking Tetris over here.
Shit lit. Watch out.
Two minutes left. Patience.
About to flip.
Kinda want it to flip. But if it does flip, you can buy above here.
1 hour.
I don't want it to flip because then the higher this wick goes up, the less of the range is gonna be for the buy for us. So let's see. 1 minute, come on, just survive. Just stay bearish. Just stay bearish, TJ.
China. Why is this shit so funny, bro?
Bro, this guy would just tweet like China, like
China.
just China.
You see gold freaking fly? China. Bro, this man can just like post like the Chinese flag. You could see gold freaking fly to the goddamn go to 1800. He like the little Uzi of economics, right? Like once he tweets out the everyone go crazy.
50 minutes broke the high.
Yep. I'm in buys there. I got in right here.
It's gonna be a good day.
My target is gonna be about this range up here. Actually no. My target's actually gonna be a runner. It's gonna go all the way up to this target up here. Levels. Cause my day target's technically up here. I can have it up here if I want to. It's just I'm just gonna be comfortable with like a target up here. Be fine here.
Man, I'm so dumb for not closing that so early, man.
Waiting.
No, I've been closed it. I'm just saying, I'm gonna close it way more. That's alright. It is what it is. I'm stressing. Oh, my boy is going insane.
Perfect.
Perfect. Man, Lot clean up his charts. I see you, boy. Sweet clean.
Damn. My trade is running here. I'm actually been off this whole day. Auto break even. Partial TP. Connected, cool. Oh shit. I'm going up here. When price gets to this level, I'm gonna close like 75% of my positions at 135, 922. I can't give a signal fast
that's
enough.
A good trade.
Yep.
Clean.
I'm securing. I'm moving stops to entry. I'm securing 10 pips of my profits. Closing 75% here of my profits here. GJ.
I'm dancing right now, bro.
They're throwing ass.
Bro, my heart is thumping right now, bro.
This man's finna buy him another car part.
I love it. It gets me up. Like I be tired, but then I get into a trade. Be like, oh, I gotta watch it now. So, be good.
Yep. There was no drawdown on that trade here on GJ.
The dummy clean.
Perfect. Perfecto. Oh, brother. Running.
It was like 60%.
15 closes bullish. 30 minutes still running. 1 hour still running. We should be to go up here on GJ.
That bitch.
Where you got your render going to? Or do you have a render?
Yeah, I'm having trouble deciding where I want to put it though. I don't know if I want to put it up at this level.
130, 136.
Like I have options, right?
050.
I have like technically I see it going to 136, 529. I can put it there if I want to. But then again, like I don't know if I might as well just take profit around these levels. You know, so I'm just gonna put it around. I'm just gonna put it where I feel like it. So probably just gonna be 136, 166. Cause this is a runner, right? I don't got a match trade or anything. All I do is thin. Damn, nice little move here on GJ. We talked about. I said this multiple times earlier too. I said I'm gonna have a buy stop or I'm gonna enter market exit once price breaks this high right here. I mean it did, so that means there's no drawdown trade up.
I'm in this gold cell right now.
Lambo.
Yes. Yo, gold is ripping down, bruh.
Gold is ripping down.
I'm in the cell right now.
Yep, it's ripping down, bro.
Uh-huh.
Dilly, bro, Dilly has a wick fight. I didn't take that. Dilly's gonna go all the way down to like
Yeah.
1698, bro. 1698.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
1698 for gold, man.
I
That's
think news is gonna push gold down even more.
yeah, it should. It should follow along with it.
10 minutes.
Oh, brother.
Oh, brother.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Yo, this is gonna go down today,
What's
bro.
the news looking like today, bro? I didn't even check it.
Retail.
Oh, you gonna turn into Houdini right?
17,
Houdini Dillon?
Jimbo trades.
Who?
Jimbo trades.
I don't even know who that is at this point, man. That man got sent to.
That man went to the dark side, bro.
So this man's a Sith Lord now. Looking at.
Sith Lord.
But I ain't never watched. Oh my Jesus! I never watched one of those Star Wars movies. Ever.
Oh shit, GJ is going.
Whoa.
I have a
Yeah.
second position.
I was just gonna get stopped out. That big saying.
Oh brother.
Oh, bro.
Oh sweet Lord Jesus.
Lord have mercy.
If you guys enjoyed the stream, leave a like on the stream. If you guys took these buys, leave a like on the stream
Let's
as well.
Go, let's
Thicker than a bowl of
go.
oatmeal. Jesus Christ.
1710, please.
Yeah, we literally broke down the trade. I broke down the trade. Like, I may have not may have broke it down like a minute before, but I broke it down like 10 minutes before, 5 minutes before the trade actually happened.
Yeah.
Enter the trade, in it, close partials already. Now it's just a risk-free trade. Now it's just determining where you want your runner to go. How many pips do you want today? You know. I think I'm gonna put a runner out to my daily target. 136, 520, 29. I'm gonna go for 70 pips here.
Yeah, same. I think I'm gonna hold past news for a goal because I have stop loss entry. Let's see if news pushes gold down even more. Yeah, close.
Oh, I'm tripping, bro. I'm tripping.
I wanna go for a morning jog.
Go for it.
Bro, it is like
Bro.
100 something degrees in
Bro.
Arizona right now.
Oh, for real?
Yeah,
Yeah.
honey. Yeah. Oh yeah.
My God.
Oh,
Bro,
my
once I
God.
seen y'all weather, I'm like, nah, bro, I don't think I want to move there.
Bro, yeah, it's stupid hot, bro. I don't even want to do
I'm
nothing.
sorry. I'm cold,
Mhm.
bro.
I just want to AC. I don't know how people be used to working in heat, but I don't want
Gold's
to
so
do that.
fucked, man.
Somebody said check gold. I did check gold. I broke it down.
Yeah, you broke it down.
This
already.
is a target today for gold. 1698.
Are you serious?
Yeah. 1698.
I'm not gonna doubt nothing.
I'm
I'm
about 9% confident in it. Look at the daily time frame. The daily time frame is gonna fill its wick,
Oh, yeah, see, it
and once it fills that wick like this, it's probably gonna continue to push down and break that wick to come down to fill this range. It's gonna come down to this support here. There's no traffic if you look left below these levels.
I ain't hunting, I ain't wedding, I ain't none of that. Yo, trade. I ain't stirring shit.
Sir?
This is you, my friend.
I think my runner got stopped on. Oh, did it?
Alright.
It did not. I survived it. Let's see.
Yep.
Are you sure? 15? No, not 1598. 1698, bro. Chill.
Oh,
1698, yeah.
15, sir? You drunk.
1698. That's my target. But just because that's my target, yeah, look for your own entries. You obviously can't enter here. If you enter here, your stop's gonna be way too big. So for your next entries on gold, you're probably gonna have to look for like maybe below this range here. You can have if a candle closes bearish below this range, you can have a sell coming down with stop below the candle coming down to like this level. After once price gets here, you move stops to entry and let it run all the way down to that target. But it doesn't mean just hold a whole position all down to this target. You know, like
How
this
many
is
pips is that?
this is like 100 pips. No, not 100 pips. This is way more. This is like
Freaking
261 pips.
Green out, bro.
This man just had a freaking hairball.
Green
Strong,
out.
strong ass. guy.
Stonk.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, below this area, you look for entries themselves. If you enter here, your stop's gonna have to be like not way too big. Your stop's gonna be like 70 pips, way too big.
Yo, I'd actually be sad if news takes out my goal positions.
Yikes.
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 Yeah, I got stop the entry for GJ. I'm gonna look for another entry once the 30-minute closes bullish here.
Ask the guy. 5 more minutes. See what retail sales has to do.
Oh, bro, I haven't looked at news in weeks.
You're good, bro.
Bro, I'm getting like hella sleepy.
Just fall
I feel
asleep
like
on
a zombie,
keyboard,
bro.
bro. Bro, you already up
Just
there.
drop like $1 on DR30. You won't miss it.
Oh, I stayed up all day, 4:30 all the way to what, 10?
Why?
10? Bro, I'm a fucking robot. That's wild.
This man is on his
please.
Kawhi.
You take
Bro,
like
I
you
woke
drink
up-
like caffeine, a lot of coffee, Monster.
Bro, it's water. I can't drink
Oh.
caffeine. I'm gonna
Rip.
fall out.
Man said just water. What about Adderall or Vyvanse? You know
I ain't
that?
gonna lie.
Nah.
This man's a perk monster, bro.
Only time my thirst first is when I'm damn pink. That's the only
Bro,
time.
I gotta mute
Yo,
your
you're
mic,
so
bro.
low
You're
right
your
now.
shit.
You know, bro.
Your mic is like you, sleepy as hell.
Oh boy, bro.
You know you're sleepy when your freaking mic sounds sleepy, bro.
For real. For real. This guy's mic sounds sleepy.
Bruh, it's like, bruh, it's either you can go sleep first or I'm gonna go sleep first. Choose.
Man said he only drinks water.
Hey man, ain't nothing wrong.
Hey, who's Ricky?
Yeah, man.
Huh?
Who's Ricky? Ricky, you
Ricky.
Ricky,
in a-
Oh, that's me. Oh shit, that's me.
bro, I'm like, who is that Ricky guy? I never seen him in my life. How'd he get in here?
I've never seen him in my
Who is
life.
this?
Oh, that's
In a Zoom call. Yeah, I'm GJ playing.
Somewhat.
I'm waiting for this 30-minute closer. Let's see. I secured 10 pips and then my runner got stopped at entry. So there's my trade, 10 pips for a day. I'll take it. I'll take that any day. I can finish my day off here and just, you know, chill out. But okay, so here's my idea for gold. If gold respects 617.29, it should come down to that 16th level I talked about earlier, right? But if it breaks this high, it's probably gonna just do a range all day or something. But it's probably gonna come back in the range here and come up a little bit, you know, do its thing. But until it breaks that high, we're still bearish on gold. Dilly has a fat wick
Go
fill.
sleep after this trade. We're done here. Fed Pal testifies at 10. Oh, brother.
job has been finished.
Y'all are broke. We are done as a country. Look at that.
Yeah, today's a boring trading day. This is like a not a typical Tuesday. Tuesdays are probably pretty good like Mondays, but I don't know. It's pretty dead this week. Maybe it might come later. I think it's gonna come later. I think there's gonna be a late reaction for GJ. Maybe when the news comes in 3 minutes here. So let's see what happens.
Technically. Alright, I feel full margin.
I'm looking for buys in a minute here.
Man said full margin.
Fuck it.
Full margin gold sales?
Nope, full margin. Full margin, US 30 buys. I'm throwing my whole life right here, bro.
Get
On the line, bro.
Trading is not fun unless you put everything on the line. Look at that.
That's the guy.
It's fun. Hell no.
Yeah, I'm looking for buys, guys, on GJ in a minute and 26 minutes here. If we close bullish, it's also gonna have to be 14 pips, and TP is gonna be about like, I'll say 24 pips or 30 pips. I gotta see where I want my TP to be, but yeah, once price gets up to here, I'm move stops to entry, close half, and then once price gets to these levels, I'm close another position, and then I run to my daily target.
Bruh, these 2 minutes are crucial.
Very, 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 very.
Retail sales.
50 seconds.
4 hours better close in half an hour. 4 hour close is bullish, we're going up. Going up.
How's the 4 hour right now? Is it bullish or bearish?
It's bearish
know,
like
what's
right
the
now.
short?
See what gold does. Wow, look how they fucking move the spread so high.
4 hour might flip though. If
Oh, because the news is coming, so we gotta check. With the spreads high.
Chill out. Let's chill out. Alright, let's get it, boys. Oh!
Oh shit.
Hello. Hello.
That's it. Oh, there.
I'm in for a buy.
Gold dropping.
Yes, I'm still in it. Let's go.
On GJ.
Yes sir.
That's so weak, bro.
Yes sir. Wow, that was quick as fuck.
Damn, I didn't get to send a signal out. God damn, I didn't get to send a signal out. I didn't get to send a signal out, man. Oh, brother. Stops are right here. I did not get. I typed it out, bro. I was literally gonna press send, man. That's tough. That is tough. I talked about it on the stream though, so this is my target up here. 10 pips. Yeah. It's a risk-free trade for me.
Yes, go. Yes, go. BTP.
Yes, go. You're go?
Let's go looking like.
Oh, Chloe looking like he's gonna go down.
Bro, I called
1698.
Guys, we are gonna approach 1698, guys. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Oh, bro. 1728 to 16 thing.
Let it run. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Huh?
Enjoy that trade.
Where'd I what?
Where did you enter?
1728.
Enjoy, guys. 16.
I had like 1727.
60 under GG.
Chill.
Yeah, chill with that.
That's too much.
Sound like
That's
a robot.
way too much.
That's too much. That's too much. Damn, GJ is pushing here, guys. I talked about the trade. I gave an entry for it. You know, all I had to do was just enter.
10 pips.
Yeah, I secured 10 pips already.
That bitch gonna meet.
Yo, Taj, you must be super happy, buddy.
Just a screw at Thomas Lugs right now.
Where's this guy? This guy's gonna sleep hella happy, bro. US30 shot.
Oh,
Bro, I'm
damn.
not asleep.
Look at this, guys. Target today for US30. I typed it.
I my hair right now.
I typed it out earlier, guys. I said US30 is gonna go to 26,961. I did this at like 7 a.m. or something. I typed this out already. Yeah, I got my goal targets.
Yeah.
Tosh teasing my hair right now.
Look for entries on gold.
Yeah.
Some more flip money.
Now I can give an next entry for gold. No. I'm not looking for entries on gold, so I can't really give entries for gold. I'm just about to get hit as well. Entry has been
Yeah,
hit.
I don't know. GJ was on some.
There it goes. Second trade. Third trade. I secured 10 pips there.
We're done, boys.
Could've got 3 entries here.
That was quick, man. I couldn't even put my wrist to a word up. I couldn't even do anything up on TradingView, but I was in the trade, so. Magic keys came in clutch there, not even gonna lie.
Special EA, no?
Oh, my bad. No free promo.
No free promo. It's crazy. But my special EA comes in next week.
No free promo.
No free promo.
I can't wait, bro. Shit about to be late.
You think? You don't even need a swing trade that, boy.
Can Roger give you a link, bro?
Who? No free promos.
10% discount.
Nah, I don't want that link.
Use code DON.
I know how to So this
Let's make our own, bro.
I know how. We
Use the controller.
No. If you get
Controller, yo.
No, if you get a keypad, that looks the same as Magic Keys, and you use the same EAs that are installed into the MT4, because everyone has a file. Just ask someone for the file, send it over, and boom, you have your own Magic Keys for cheaper. Because you can install the exact same EAs. Yeah, you just get the same model keypad though, and you just put your own stickers on it. they're
Like one of the, bro, so you can get like one of the.
Bro, the password is awesome, bro. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, you could do that.
Vital information is being here.
Wow, okay.
Past couple of days,
Yeah.
vital information has been.
But you know, there's no free promo.
If
Harsh.
they bought the little keyboard.
He's no free
I don't know what to do.
But you gotta look for the same model though, same exact model. The model is RF27. Let me check.
God.
Nice to know, Don. Thank you for.
We're going to jail.
Copyright issues.
Copyright infringement. Left and right.
Yo, the lawyers, man.
Call the lawyers.
Get the paper signed.
Hey,
All that.
You're getting sued, buddy.
Well, time to delete my app. Leave it hit 1690
No
today.
more Zoom for us, bro. We're gonna be
Yeah.
talking through walkie-talkies now, bro.
Worse than
And don't
mine.
want to give out all
I
the
don't
freaking
think-
information and
I don't
shit.
think that shit will reach, bro.
Oh shit, I forgot.
Well, what far?
Fucking Canada.
Bro, we got a group FaceTime, bro. And like, Don has to freaking mount his freaking phone.
Alright guys, I found a link.
Bruh.
We'll put it in a live stream, bro.
I'll put it on a live stream for sure. I'll do it right now actually.
No, the Telegram live stream.
No, I'll put it on the live stream, like the live stream right now.
No.
No way.
Bro, chill.
This guy's
What do you
put up.
Alright, here.
Are you serious?
Here we go, guys. This is the Magic Keys. I mean, no free promo. This is the EA right here. I found it on this website. I don't know how I found this, but this is the exact motto.
Rob, bro.
The exact motto.
Wait, so you telling me he got that and he just put stickers on it?
No, like he has someone. Yeah, shut up. He has someone that has like the exact same like EA. Like someone made EA for him. Like he didn't make it.
Oh,
EA.
yeah.
So, like the inputs for it, like what this person means, or like, no, what this button means, or what this button like leads to.
Oh, yeah.
So like it's all inside of MT4, MT5, right? So we have it. Like I have it. Everyone has it. Everyone that bought Magic Keys has that because you have to install it. There's a file that comes with it. So if you send that file over to someone, they're gonna put that file onto the Magic Keys, and then boom, they have their own Magic Keys. So the only thing you gotta do after is put your own buttons on it, own keypad colors and everything.
Actually jokes.
What is?
Cool.
Wow, we got
Sadly, I bought one already. But
I mean,
it is what it is.
yeah, it is what it is.
Yeah, that seems like way too much work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Yeah, guys, Ustar is heading over here.
I was gonna say, GJ, shut up. Please.
GG's gonna make a move up too. It should make a move soon. I'm done for a day though. I don't care if it reaches the target today. I'm just gonna be chill.
And man, if you want more of a swing, yeah, if this 4-hour course is like decently bullish, you could probably get an entry in here.
Same thing with gold.
That's tough. Actually, not.
60 pips, bro. What the fuck?
What does that device do? No primo. Nothing. Nothing. We're just. It's all good.
What? What device? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know, man. Anyways, every day the Centaurs is making another car part.
Yeah.
Hashtag real trader flow.
You be tired and robotic.
Down DV 26,900 and 1695. Yeah, I have crazy targets today. But you guys don't understand this. Like I'm calling these crazy targets out, but like these targets don't hit. Like these targets don't happen every day. It's not an everyday thing. Like you gotta see like it depends on the day. Like me calling these targets out. Some days you might see me have a big target, like a 200 pip target, but some days you might see me have a 10 pip target. Like for GG today, I have this big target here, right? But some other days, like yesterday, you see me had like a 20 pip or 30 pip target only for like the actual target for the day, right? It just depends on a certain day, but yeah. But today, yeah, I see this huge move up from GJ. Huge move up later. Huge.
Bro, this shit's flying, bro. Oh my god.
I got years away.
Like my confirmation to take profit. You know when you get the oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, it's already stop losses already put in, bro.
Oh, you good.
Damn, Roger took an L today.
Yeah.
No free promo.
DJ?
Yeah, on GJ.
Sorry.
Yeah, it wasn't really a tradable day today. That tradable, but we made something out of it at least.
I thought it wasn't bad.
It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all.
It's like one of those harder days.
But he tried taking sells, right? I had a bias bullish and he had to sell bullish. I'm biased today. It was different.
Yeah.
It's just a slow day.
Tuesday, bro. That was the beginning of the week.
Right.
71 pips.
It doesn't look like the market's moving a lot, but you could have got nice moves, I think.
45 right there. Damn.
Oh, push it.
Bye
Oh,
bye.
I got in at the. I'm not gonna say anything.
Let's stop it.
I'm sure you guys missed it after.
Aha.
Damn.
Man, if my other two positions didn't stop that, boy, oh boy. Sorry, though.
Protect at all
I ain't tripping about it. I ain't taking care of it yet.
I ain't tripping about the loot.
I couldn't give a signal. That's what I'm mad about today. That's alright. Yeah,
Damn.
my shit running.
Oh,
Bye bye.
You did say a late reaction though in the market, didn't you say that?
Yeah.
I got on like literally like a minute before I spiked up just now. Literally a minute before.
How'd you anticipate that?
So 1 hour is breaking this high over here. Was about to. So I'll anticipate, okay, maybe like it closed in 18 minutes.
Oh, that high? Oh.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I see what you're saying. That's literally, yeah, that's a raw entry.
I was on the way for 1 hour.
that's a Don Vote entry, bro.
Raw.
did you
He
see
said
that?
raw.
No, that's the exact same what you did.
That's a Don Vote entry, bro. That's a Don Vote entry, bro.
Bruh.
Yeah, you did.
Alright then. I see how it is.
Turn up.
Turn up then.
Turn up.
Do your little thing. Do your thing then.
Do you think?
Yeah, so man, we have some traffic to the left here on GG now. We have some traffic here to the left. Today's really a messy day, man. Like all the calls today were just like wasn't as clean as, you know, TP here, stop loss here.
Damn, I need to add that entry to my playbook, bro.
What?
Well, if you think about it, like I got on a little earlier because I anticipated I was gonna break the high. I didn't actually get in here. I got on like around 9:02. This area. Right here.
Oh, word.
Yeah. I was anticipating I was gonna break this high because this way I was forming on a 30-minute. And it broke out this high right here. 9:02. This 30-minute high right here, and then got up to this target right here. So.
What'd you say?
But like you get some traffic to the left here on GJ. So here's like this is where you might have some trouble at. So if you guys have FOMO right now on GJ and you guys want to look for entries on GJ, you will have to wait for price to break above these levels here on GJ. This is non-tradable, right, for GJ, and above here is tradable. So if you want to buy above this level for GJ, that level right there, that'll be a buy zone, that target. But this level you might have some choppiness in. Boy eating cereal. Damn, man, I can't believe I caught that move. Can't believe I caught that move on GJ.
Yeah, that's a crazy entry.
I overtraded today though. Well, not really. Like I usually enter like 3 or 4 trades per day nowadays. It's just I brought it up a little bit, but it's just what I've been doing for the past couple weeks. So
I've been doing way less trades.
is it really overtrading or is it just like my routine? You know, it's 4
You follow
trades.
your rules, so.
Whatever your
Yeah.
is, isn't it?
It's just it's my rule though. Like my rule is usually this: if I enter 2 trades and those 2 trades are perfect, I'm gonna try one more entry for a bonus, like a little bonus one, right? Which I did it right here. But if like one trade goes bad, of the first 2 trades, I usually just end the day with those 2 trades only. And today everything just went so perfect for me. So I secured like 75% of my positions here on GJ, and now I have a runner going up to this target. 20 pips.
Yo, you guys turn on COD?
I'm tired, bro. I gotta sleep. I'll hop on later though.
But
I gotta work.
Somebody wish those got a flow too. Oh,
Now what an entry, man. Oh brother. Yeah, this is my stops. My stop was the 1 hour low here, like down here. My target is up here.
that's the entry you get when you're like at like that like goat level, like, you know.
No, I'm not a goat.
It's like that like goat level. Like,
It's like it's just a like I got to a point where I've seen this happen a lot, where if price breaks a certain high, you have a clear move up here. Like this it was just based off of the fact that this is just a clear move here, clear traffic move. And I don't know, it's just the more you just hop on charts every day, the more you're just gonna see things.
But most people probably just do that as resistance, and they're just be like, nah.
Oh, yeah, buying rate. Yeah. I see that too. Yeah. But you know, like, it's looking good, Cause like here's the thing, GG made a high right here, and then now what it was, it retested the high. So when it retested the high a second time, it has a higher chance of breaking it. So that's why GG is moving up here. Cause although there's no wick fill here, there's no like shown wick fill on the 4 hour or the 1 hour or any time frame. It's technically still a wick fill, because the way the account's formed, you know what I mean though. Cause you had to move up, and then now you have this push down right here. So that push down made a wick fill. So now price on this move up is now filling that wick. So it's technically a wick fill, but there's no wick fill on the actual charts. So that requires a shit ton of backtesting and a shit ton of practice to you know, you really gotta understand candles for that.
Yeah. It's also just like support to fill the range.
Yeah. That's what wick fills are. Just support to fill the range. That's all that it is. So, wick. See how far candles go.
Bro, I'm about to run off this whole GTA 5 story.
Oh, Bears. Delete that game. Get multiplayer.
oh, brother.
Yeah, guys. So today, you know, I couldn't give like you guys like the most precise entries on the signals. Like I gave like I answered what I answered, you know, but it wasn't slow enough for me to actually say, okay, guys, I'm entering a buy here. Blah blah. Like I entered, and then it just did this thing. It just all these moves today happened way too quick. So it wasn't like yesterday. Yesterday we actually had a slower move, and we actually were in it for a little longer. But yeah, these moves are just crazy today. So, you know, some days you catch it, some days you don't. If you guys didn't catch these moves today, don't worry. I caught 40 pips today. I wasn't expecting 40 pips today, but it is what it is. We're gonna end the stream soon anyways. Probably another like 30 minutes here or something. Please check on gold. BETV channels. So, like I said, this is a day target for today. But the entries, that's on you. Like, you gotta look for your own entries, and that's just my target. Like, that's just where I see gold going. What is that?
Like, I feel like once you get better at entry, you get better trades.
Whose mic is that?
Yo, who calling that?
Yeah,
Yo,
who?
that's some C3PO.
Bro, this is freaking planting a bomb on searching
That's
third.
me.
What the hell is going on?
Yeah, so gold. If you guys like, people are asking about gold. This is non-tradable. This range here. You're gonna have to wait for a candle closure below this range. There's no trade at all here. There's no reason for you to enter or sell down here or here. Here was the last entry right here. This is the last entry for a sell. This is where it candle closed, bearish. But now if you're looking for sells, there's no sells at all. You can't enter on these candles. This candle didn't close, one. And also two, there's no confirmation yet for a sell. Right? This is the target today based on the fact that the daily candle is bearish and we have a nice wick filter coming down to that low. But we need some type of confirmation on a smaller time frame. So maybe if like the 4 hour close is bearish, or like the 1 hour close is bearish or something. Like if you just close below this range here, we should be good to go come down to these levels down here. But until that happens, don't enter for gold. So don't think of it as, since this is my target for the day, you can enter, sell, and hold it for that long. Like US30 is doing its thing, sure. US30 came up quick, right? But those entries here, those entries on this 1 hour candle right here that closed bullish, and those entries on this candle as well. But Or in that, there's no entries anymore. Like there's no more entries on this 1 hour candle. It's just a pure bullish move up. You guys just gotta be patient. Wait 2 hours for breakout range. I missed. You just don't play with me, huh? I said wait from. Come back on Asian. Yeah, come back on Asian, bro. Asian is gonna be good too. Asian is gonna be good. Yeah, I really see GJ coming up to this target today. 136.518 should be today. For before Asian. Maybe like late New York. 11, 12, maybe 1. I just have a runner now.
Gene himself.
I'm gonna get off this trade and go to sleep. I don't know, bro.
And do it.
Yeah.
Hey man, you been up. You been grinding.
You a grown ass man. You better know that. Man, that's
I'm
hot.
a robot. I'm a robot, dude.
This man on his Kawhi flow, bruh. He don't give a fuck about
Kawhi flow.
He don't care about sleep. None of that.
I almost turned myself into a robot yesterday. I caught my head on some barbed wire yesterday, bro.
Hey, go ahead.
That shit's crazy.
Oh hell.
I feel this shit in my head.
Oh hell no. They put that 5G in your head, bruh.
Guys, I just remember from the start of the stream. What did I say? I said when the sells happen here, I'm like, okay, maybe I got out the sells at break even, right? Because I didn't like the way it looked. I didn't like the way the daily was looking and everything. Like I had a feeling that we're gonna push up today, and that move was just maybe gonna be a pullback down or something to go up, right? And that's what it was. You know, so I got out of the trade. I stuck to my bias today, and my bias is buys, and I was able to catch 30 pips on the buys. I mean 40 pips on buys today. All buys. The sells was just break even. You just gotta stick to your bias. You guys can't just change your bias, you know? Or your daily bias. But sells were that sell was very clean. That sell moved down, so you could have caught it. Could have caught both directions. Today I say it was more of a Raja type day because I didn't really give like signals in the live stream, but I gave my entries type thing. So I'll call it like one of those days. Cause I know he doesn't really give much signals or anything. He just enters the trade and says, "Oh guys, I'm in this trade here. I got him right here." But so yeah, these are my trades today. Thanks for teaching me how to move my stop loss up. It's plus for me, bro. Yeah, like that's very important. I'm glad you learned that, cause now you're gonna be able to secure profits way easier. Like the thing about my trading style is it forces me to become very logical, and it forces me to take profit at certain areas or close partials. Like I see resistance here, I close partials here. I don't hold it. I pass this resistance. Well, my full position because there's a resistance here. Price went rejected at this level, hit my entry. So that's why I did that. I did what I did. Right? And that's what this trading style, or whatever you want to call it, this method, whatever you want to call it, forces you to do. It forces you to take profit. It forces you to be very logical with your areas. Instead of praying for a price to break a certain point when there's no sign of that happening. I honestly think though, if the day closes bullish here, what time is it right now? Not 8:54. I'm gonna write this down. So it says at 8:54. Okay. 8:54 Tuesday stream. 8:54 June. What day is it? June 16. All right. So, hear me out. So GJ made a high. Alright, I want everyone to screen record this actually. Screen record this if you guys have a chance to on YouTube. So, I'm starting in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so GJ made a high right here on June 20th. I mean, June 8th, right? June 8th, right here, made a high here. So, what price is doing right now is it found some type of support here. It was looking for support and it found it, right? It found it because the daily candle actually closed bullish at support. So let me just draw this out. this. We actually managed to close bullish at support here. So now this is your resistance up here, and this is your support. So now you have a kind of supply and demand zone. So what I'm expecting now for GJ is GJ might, since it closed bullish at support, this kind of if it closes bullish as well, we have a high chance of really retesting the high here at 138, 900, 130, 139 level, right? This level right here, we should retest this high. So what you guys gonna see now is once the day candle closes bullish, or if it closes bullish, we don't know yet. If it closes bullish, we have a high chance of continuing for the next day, like this. Like this. Oh, where is it? Like this. Bullish. And then like this. Retest the high. And then since it's retesting the high, it's technically filling a wick. This is a huge wick in a weekly or a monthly time frame, whatever it is. Right? This is a nice wick fill on GJ because you had this huge move up here on GJ. Huge move up here. Price pull back, which made a lower wick, and then now it's retesting the high again. It's filling the range. So now that's filling the range and filling that wick, we have a high chance of breaking this wick as well. So GJ could actually come up to tap, you know, the next resistance, which could be like possibly you know, possibly 145, like these levels. Right now you're looking for those levels, like 145 or any of these levels, or like 141, right? But off of these two candles right here, you can actually it tells a lot. Off of this little move right here in this box, it tells you a lot, and that's my analysis for GJ. I'm expecting that to happen on GJ. So there's my analysis.
Wow.
So what I might do is I might actually leave a runner all the way up to here, with a very like maybe a 0.5% of this whole position. So I have an 8.0. I'm probably gonna leave like a 0.50 running or something, right? A 0.40 running all the way up to this target up here. It's a risk-free trade, right? So it stops entering. I'm gonna try it out. If it respects my low, my entry, then I'll be good. If it doesn't, then you know it's whatever. I don't really care. It's gonna be a risk-free trade because I'm gonna close like majority of my profits. But that's my little analysis for GJ, and that's what I think's gonna happen. I think on Sunday too, I told Sam, I'm like, yo Sam, this is the lowest you'll see GJ in a while. Was it Sunday, Sam, or Friday? I forgot.
That was yesterday, I think.
Sunday,
Was
no,
it?
Sunday.
Oh, we didn't
Sunday,
talk yesterday.
Sunday opening. Yeah, I was like, yo, this is the lowest you'll see GJ going. And says, we talked about the double bombs and all that stuff, but yeah, like I don't know. It can go down further. Who knows? If GG does close bullish and the next candle breaks this low, then we're probably gonna come back down in the range, and this whole analysis will be cancelled, right? Because this would be a whole different.
Just be wary right now. It's a 4-hour open, so like the drawdown might be.
I might get stop the entry. Yeah, this is what I'm worried about right now. I'm worried about.
1 hour about to close.
If I survive the wick coming down, if I survive that wick, then I'll be good to go. But like this little wick coming down, it should push up like this.
This sleep finna hit. This 1 hour nap finna hit.
I promise you.
Bro, I haven't woken up like the Undertaker, bro. That's how I knew like my day was gonna go good. But shit, I went good. Doom. Man.
Tuesday. We going nuts. Got one more from FIFA.
Alright. It's 9.
It's 9. It's 9
It's
o'clock.
9. 9.
Yeah. This is gonna be a huge runner if this goes. But if it doesn't, then you know I'm not stressing. I secured majority of my profits here. I really trust my analysis here. I'm expecting this 4-hour candle on GJ to come up and push up like this. You guys don't see one huge candle like this on GJ. Like this. Or at least up to this resistance, you know. But I'm expecting it to break as well, so it's gonna be a lot bigger. So yeah, guys, that's my day. I hope everyone oh, gold actually closed bearish too. 4-hour day kind of closed bearish. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
What the hell? What you do? Alright, boy. That's enough for me today.
Yeah, I'm hop off.
So,
Easy game.
Deuces, gentlemen.
I'm going.
Easy, boys.
Later. Catch you later, guys.
Is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously,
I'm still here for a little bit. My day's not done yet. Well, I'm gonna be here for like another 2 minutes or so. I'm just trying to sense something out here. Yeah. Yeah, I'm head off, guys. So yeah, I hope everyone had a great day today. I'm ending my day here. Catch you guys tomorrow during the New York stream. So peace. Leave a like up on the stream if you guys haven't yet.